In this video, we are going to modify the sheets. Modify in the sense we have to rearrange these sheets so that we have a clear view. So if you see this sheet, you can see my profile text is overlapping with the profile view, and in the top area we have labels going outside the view frame like that, and from the plan area you can see there is some covered area or a darkened area in the plan sheet. So in this video we will see how to rectify these issues. So to do that, first I will move back to the first sheet, and you can see now I am inside this sheet. So if you click your mouse here inside this view frame, and then if you double click, you will go inside model tab. That means you are like you are in this model tab, because you can select the items from here. So you can see now you have selected profile view. So if you press escape and if you go out and select this one, you cannot select this because you are not inside the model tab. So actually model space. Now if you go here inside the view and double click, then you can go inside the model space and you can select the tabs like here. Then what you can do is you can modify this view, so that we get it clearly inside. So what we can do here is we can remove this unwanted gap, because my existing route is somewhere here, but my datum is somewhere here. So I can change the datum. Now currently I have 65 datum. I can change the datum something like up to 80 or maybe 85 as well. Let us say 80. So I go to profile view properties, then I will change this specified height to 80 and click OK. Now you can see my size goes down, but still this is overlapping with each other, so you have to move it upward. So we click here and we move it little bit upward. Right, now everything is looking clear. Right, so again what you should do is, in this case this is fitting properly inside our viewport, so we should better look at what is the height difference here. It's like 34 meters. Let us say we make it 35 meters by changing 115. So now it is 35 meters. Now this is looking better, right? So this value is, this height is 35 meters. Now we go to here, and here this value is, it is same, it is very close to 85 here. So what we do is we go inside, double click here, go inside, select this one, then change this to 85 to 120. You get the 35 height. Then you move this upward like here. Then you click outside. Now it is okay. When you are clicking, make sure that you are getting the 600 aligned, closely aligned with this one, right? So not the exact align, but closely aligned. Now you can see this is kind of closely aligned with 600. So likewise you can move to the other one and go to and do the same. In this case you might see one part of the other one as well. In that case we double click inside. We will first change this one. We have to check what is the elevation. Here also 85 to 120 is perfect. Then we move it upwards. Right. Then what you can do is, since you are seeing this part, what you can do is you can select the view from frame and take it just inside like this, so it will not create you problems. Just undo and do it properly. Click here and I am following this line, top line. Come click somewhere here. In that case you will get the disturbance out of this profile view. So that is how to adjust the profile view according to the viewport. Now all three are now perfectly aligned with each other. Let us see how to change this part here. So this is related to the match line. So to change that one, we have to go to inside this one. So we have to double click here. We go inside this one. Then we select this match line. Then go here, match line properties, edit match line style. Select the match line from here, edit match line style. Then here we have to turn off this match line mask. That is, it will mask or hide the area away from the match line. That is what is happening. So it is kind of problematic for weaving. So we will unhide that mask, or we will turn off that mask and click apply. Now you can see the other parts as well and click OK. Now you have the match line and you can see the other parts as well. So in this case, if you don't see this station value, you can again move this one somewhere here until you see the stations. So if you change one match line station, it will update the other hatch as well. So here you can see the station properly, and go to this side. There's no need for match station. Right. So now everything are working properly. We have modified the sheets, but up to this point what we have done is just blindly doing everything without getting proper understanding what has happened here. So in the next video we will get a proper understanding what has happened during the plant production process.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.